Hi everybody, my name is Tom Callaghan from Cyber Risk. Today we're going to talk about the perception that CRQ, or Cyber Risk Quantification, is hard. There's a perception in the marketplace that risk quantification is too difficult, it takes too long, and is often not worth the effort. At Cyber Risk, we specialize in measuring technology and cyber risk in financial terms. We do this to improve information security governance, and risk quantification is the heart of what we do, in particular applying risk quantification to practical use cases within our clients. So we often come across this idea that CRQ is difficult and doesn't necessarily scale and really isn't worth the effort, and you're better off to stick with your traditional or status quo. Now, our experience is actually quite different. Our experience is that compared to a useful and accurate qualitative or traditional risk assessment, CRQ is actually pretty much the same effort or a very small incremental effort. And this is very important. So our view, which we developed over many years, is that using CRQ or quantitative risk assessments is pretty much the same effort as a useful and accurate qualitative or traditional risk assessment. So why is this the case? So we use FAIR as the foundation to our risk quantification activities. FAIR is a standard which provides both a taxonomy or ontology and a methodology for risk assessments. FAIR gives you the tools to scope a risk scenario which is measurable, and then assign ranges to the probability or loss event frequency and the impact or loss magnitude for that scenario. This ability to measure risk in financial terms using ranges is really key to be able to perform quick, accurate, quantitative risk assessments. A useful and accurate quantitative risk assessment often only requires you to estimate variables at the probability and loss magnitude level of the FAIR model. Many analysts sometimes feel the need to go deeper in the model, but if you think about the use case, why you're doing the risk assessment in the first place, very often it's not necessary to go any deeper. And in our experience, a traditional or qualitative risk assessment has the information required to do this estimation. And this really is a very important point. Again, there's a perception FAIR using CRQ is difficult. We believe that an accurate, qualitative, or traditional risk assessment has the information already that you need to convert it into a FAIR-based CRQ quantitative risk assessment. You already should have the information you need to estimate probability or loss event frequency and impact or loss magnitude in a useful and accurate qualitative risk assessment. So if you'd like to explore this topic in more detail, please check out our website, cyberrisk.com, check out our YouTube channel and our blogs. Thank you very much.